We totally just lost. Oh my goodness. Man overboard! You broke a rule, baby! Hi, we're Josh and Tamara, and this is our 46-foot sailboat, Honu. We're a couple Canadians that traded land life to become full-time cruisers. Over the past year, we've been working tirelessly to get her shipshape and ready for new adventures on warm, crystal blue waters. Join us every Friday as we bring our 01 boat back to the 21st century and have a lot of fun along the way. Thanks for being a part of our journey. We just got totally caught with our pants down, and not in the way that you're thinking. We were sitting here and it just started getting a little overcast, and then there was these magic sprinkles of happiness that we call a light rain, and then all of a sudden it turned into crazy sprinkles of happiness and it downpoured on us. We were running around like chickens with our heads cut off trying to close all the windows, all of the plastics outside, and it is pouring right now. And it's hot. So this is not comfortable because it's muggy and hot, and we're stuck all concealed right now. But that's happening. And on another note, we have to eat up all of the rest of our fridge stuff or it's going in the garbage. So we have one heck of a scramble going on right now. I don't know how many people we're cooking for, but it really doesn't matter because it's either we eat it now or it goes in the garbage. So
just make some grub.
Make grub. And we talked with some locals yesterday and everything is closed this weekend. So we are stuck without talking to anybody until Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, for fridge replacement. So let's go party. It's Carnival. What else are we gonna do?
Right. Take it in.
Yeah. Try and get some big blocks of ice so we can put it in here and keep this as an ice box and just keep our condiments cold because everything else has now been taken care of. It'll be okay.
You want some clamato?
Warm clamato?
It's delicious.
Yummy.
It's like soup.
Come here, come see Carnival with me. What an unbelievable day we had. The carnival here at St. Thomas was so much more than we expected. The parade started at 7 a.m. and didn't end until 9 p.m. By the end of it, the streets were littered with feathers, glitter, and beads everywhere. I'm not gonna lie, I want a set of wings. It looks like so much fun.
It does. Look at them come. And this goes on for miles and miles, hours, like 10 hours of this.
It's so wicked. So much energy, so much fun. I love it. Woo-hoo! Yeah! It was an amazing day had by all who attended. And to top it all off, there was a wicked fireworks display that we got to watch from the deck of our boat with friends.
Hi.
This is a pretty good Monday.
Yeah, we got all our chores done.
We did.
We did a lot of computer work this morning and then walked into town. It was so hot.
Yeah.
Priced out our new fridge and hopefully get availability today from them.
Yeah, we've got 2 options available, so we're hoping that the cheaper one can be here sooner. It's now Monday, yay, and time to get on the mad hunt for our new freezer compressor.
Hopefully they can get us something on order pronto.
Yeah, it'd be nice too, even if they had 2 smaller units and we could put both of those in and we didn't have to wait for an order. So, I don't know, we're gonna talk to these guys today and hope for the best. Found it. All your refrigeration and water maker needs. So they turned out to be super duper helpful there. Tracy was the lady that we spoke with that helped us put the systems together. And then David's the tech there. And we've got 2 separate systems that are possibilities right now. And now it's just a matter of seeing what availability is. And for the second system, which is different than what we have in right now, it's kind of an a la carte. So we have to head back to the boat and do some measuring to figure out what size cooling plates we need and then see if that's available. So a little bit more homework on our terms, but here we go.
But in the meantime, this is how we're gonna make do. We don't have air conditioning, so what else are you gonna do?
We gotta cool off.
This ain't easy.
No.
We're doing the best we can with what we have.
What you have.
Mm-hmm. Gotta make do.
Making our way in the world today.
Takes everything you got.
Wouldn't you like to get away?
So much. This is cool. Just finished up at the refrigeration place trying to get an order in for our replacement parts for our fridge. Decided we're gonna go for a hike.
Yeah.
So there's
some countryside.
Yeah, there's a viewpoint up the mountain. It's about an hour walk uphill, which we could use, but it's pretty neat walking through here. Really enjoying it.
Woo. Let's get the heart rate going.
Yeah, no kidding. Heights and stairs.
And heat.
And heat. Oh, daddy. Got this. They're big steps too.
They are big steps.
I almost need to double them.
I am.
Are you?
Yeah.
Made it.
Tiger.
Yeah. Holy. View's getting better. That was a good hike up that. Yeah. Boat life. Okay, I gotta check our map.
Turn left to stay on Skyline Drive, Valdemara Hill Senior Drive.
So cool.
Let's go take a look at the outlook. How's your outlook?
It's very good today.
Pretty good?
Yeah.
Awesome. Beauty.
Wow.
That's gorgeous. And there's Honu. Right over there. Yeah.
Good job, baby.
We did this.
We did it. Look at this view. It's unreal. Oh, it's a heck of a walk. We started from way over in that bay right there, walked through town, and then zigzagged our way all up the mountain and came across. Let's go for a cruise.
Let's do it. So we got an update on our fridge. It's now on order, and it looks like Monday. We're hoping for Friday, but looks like Monday.
It's Thursday. We
Yeah.
paid for priority shipping, but I can't see that it's going to be here in one day. So
No.
we've decided we need a change of scenery. Time to go for a cruise. So we're heading over to
St. John's
Island, and we're going to go check out Honeymoon Bay there.
Yep.
Grab a mooring ball for a couple days and enjoy a new view.
Yeah.
And then we'll come back and get our fridge.
Yep. We're gonna go over there to celebrate a friend's birthday and check out some new stuff. So let's go for a cruise.
Let's get out of here. It's time.
Do it.
Let's go. We just rolled up. It's a little bit overcast, and that's actually kind of nice because it is hot, hot, hot here. But we've just pulled into the anchorage. It's a park, so you pay for a mooring ball. You can see right on it, it says $26 per night. The beach looks gorgeous, so we are happy to be here. Time for a dip. We are so hot. But this is St. John's, so we're still in the USVI. It's about a 3-hour or so ride over. It's bouncy. Nice to be here though, baby.
So nice to be here. It's so calm and perfect, and there's turtles everywhere.
Yeah.
So we're going snorkeling.
We're going swimming and having some fun on the beach.
Yes.
Yay. Let's do it. So that's a pretty view. Hey, baby.
Hey, baby. So we've just dinging into Cruz Bay, and this is pretty epic. It's just all these restaurants and bars here. We're gonna have an awesome sunset
And a dinner.
and a dinner. And it's time to rock and roll.
Let's do it.
Yeah, baby.
Perfect. Epic. I wear my sunglasses and wash dishes.
I was gonna ask you if your future was really bright.
Yeah. Well, this is my excuse if I miss anything.
Ah, glasses are on.
So, we need to get some exercise, so we're gonna go to Hawk's Nest Bay and moor the boat there, and then hike up a mountain to a really cool place for lunch, right?
Yeah. So it's giver time, get off the boat, and get some exercise.
Woo!
We're out.
Are you ready to go?
Let's do it, babe.
Let's do it.
We totally just lost. Oh my goodness. Man overboard! You broke a rule, baby! Oh my goodness. We lost our boat hook. Josh was tying up the front of the, oh my God, I can't talk. He was tying up the front canvas and he kicked it and it went right over the side. But he's coming now. Does this constitute for your exercise for the day?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Are you gonna climb on the dinghy or?
I don't know yet. Stay it.
Got it. I'll stay inside here. Well done, love. Excitement on every day.
Hey!
You did it. All right, now get your lighter in here.
Okay.
So we just got into
Hawk's Nest.
We just got into Hawk's Nest Bay, and it's going to be where our hike is going to start. So we're going all the way up to the top of the mountain there, and that is Windmill Bar? Restaurant?
Windmill Restaurant.
Something like Windmill Restaurant. It's hot out today. It's going to be a slug. We love hiking when it's plus 30, obviously, but
Oh, yeah, we're idiots.
we're idiots. What are you
See
going
when
to
it's
do?
like this. It'll blow your hat right off.
It'll blow your hat off, man. Let's get walking. Here he comes again, back in the water. Such a gentleman. He brought me all the way back to the beach and then tied up the dinghy. Thanks, babe. Love you.
Here's wicked. Listen to all the birds.
Oh, it's amazing.
What a difference from all the other places we've been to. Starting in about Dominican is when we started hearing birds again. There's nothing in the Bahamas. But then Dominican lots, Puerto Rico lots, but here in this, I mean, this is a national park. It's all protected, and man, the birds sound so cool. I love it. At the top, we think.
We're hiding out in every little.
Behind us, there's not much.
And it's steep, man.
It's steep and it's hot. We're so high up though, like you can see the BVIs from here.
You can.
You can see another country from up here.
Oh God, I need something cold to drink. Yeah, and a cab down.
Cab down.
Maybe.
We'll talk to some people. Maybe
We'll
get a
find
lift.
something.
I don't know if I want to walk this down in this heat. I can. I'm not saying
Well, I know
can't.
you can, but I still want you.
Let's keep talking.
All right, we're out. More sun.
Hey,
Here it comes. Gorgeous.
it's like, come here, baby, and do me. That's my pistol.
I see it. Baby, I see it.
Oh, we're at the
It's
top
right there.
of the mountain. Oh, yay. Yay, we're almost
Oh
there.
my God.
We are so high up here, it's crazy. Windmill bar, we made it, baby.
Yeah, we did.
The Windmill Bar is a part of Neptune's Lookout. It's a former sugar plantation which includes a windmill that was erected in the 1780s. It's the perfect spot to watch boats sail by, the sunset, the moon rise, and the night sky.
This thing is all the time. And the guy randomly just grabs all the things and grabs the 27 and hands it over. We both busted out laughing.
It's a day.
It's a day.
Yeah. Worth the walk. Definitely worth the walk.
Yeah,
Fantastic.
I can't wait to have a burger.
Me too. They're coming soon. A little more breeze would be nice too, but I'm not asking for a lot.
No. So we're doing a loop,
We are doing a loop, and we almost missed our loop.
but we didn't miss it
No.
because there was a sign.
I thought
So we're gonna take this trail now. Hopefully it's not sketchy.
like everything else.
Down there.
Yeah, it looks great.
Not that way, right?
No, we go straight down.
Straight down?
Yeah.
Okay. Use caution. It's funny, we were just talking about how neat the windmill bar was going up to there. And it's a shame that it wasn't more.
Of a memorable experience.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like the view was awesome. The food was really good. The drinks were good. It was kind of expensive, but not crazy. But the service wasn't very great.
No.
Like no one went out of their way to talk to you or friendly and stuff. And Tamara was just saying how funny it is that it's still expected that you tip, but
There was no service.
there was zero service. No personality from anyone there. Like, you know, you think two people roll in just sweating and stuff. The first thing you'd be like, you guys deserve some waters. You just walked all the way up here to come see us here. You know, like
Yeah. Or
just
hero beers.
anything.
Something. Yeah.
Right? And no, there was nothing.
No.
So I guess maybe it's just you get tired of just the tourists coming and going. There was a steady stream of
People.
taxis coming in and
Yeah.
out of there and stuff, but
That's kind of your job.
yeah, it's your business. It's just a shame, you know, like I think I'd like to say that if it was me behind the bar, I would have gone out of my way to acknowledge the fact that we were sweating and dying when we got there and wound us up and tried to have some more
Yeah.
fun, tried to get us to stay for extra drinks or anything.
Yeah.
But it was literally one word answers from the guy the whole time. And
Kind of uneventful, deflating situation.
yeah, it wasn't, because it was good for us to get the exercise and it was cool
Yes.
to get up there and have that view.
Yes.
And we were starving and thirsty, and all those needs got met.
They did.
Yeah, I
Just
just
a little personality would have been nice.
yeah, it's just too bad that it just wasn't a little bit more, you know. There's an old saying, sell the sizzle, not the steak. Well, the sizzle wasn't there, but the steak was. So I was happy to pay for the burger. I just would have been a little more memorable if the service would have been a little better. So no more rambling. Back to our wicked walk through the trees. We were just walking through this area here with all this grass, and I'm like, man, there is animals bedding down in here. And we heard there's deer here and stuff. We don't know what's on this island.
No clue.
And all of a sudden, this huge iguana jumped out of a hole and ran into the bushes. Scared the crap out of us. Like it was big. It was a big boy.
My heart is pounding so fast right now, you have no idea.
After a long day of hiking, we decided to finish our day on the beach. Thanks to all of you that tune in every week. We are loving your comments. Please keep them coming. And a special thanks to our Patreons. Your support is amazing. Join us next week as we hopefully get our fridge fixed and we can continue our journey south. Bye for now, guys.